You push the vacuum back and forth, thinking your floors are spotless. But look closer. Dust still lingers in corners. Pet hair hides under furniture, and carpets never feel truly fresh. What if I told you? Most people vacuum the wrong way. And that, with just a few powerful changes, you could cut your effort in half and get a home that feels cleaner than ever. Before I share the best way to vacuum, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon. Because this isn't just about vacuuming, it's about transforming the way you clean. Why vacuuming often fails. We think vacuuming is simple. Plug it in, move it around, done. But the truth is, poor technique wastes time, energy, and leaves behind hidden dirt. Floors may look clean, but allergens, bacteria, and fine dust remain deep in fibers and cracks. That's why allergies persist, carpets wear out, and air feels heavy. Vacuuming isn't about motion, it's about method. Step 1. Declutter first. Before you even touch the vacuum, clear the space. Pick up toys, shoes, and small items. The fewer obstacles, the more efficient your pass. Think of it as preparing a battlefield. You want no distractions, just clear ground for your machine to do its work. Step 2. Choose the right setting. Most people ignore this. Carpets, hardwood, tiles, each surface needs a different height or suction setting. Use low settings on hard floors to avoid scattering dust, and higher ones on thick carpets to pull dirt trapped deep within. When the setting matches the surface, your vacuum works at full power. Step 3. The slow pass rule. Here's the golden rule. Vacuum slowly. One slow pass cleans deeper than 3 fast ones. The suction needs time to lift dirt, and rushing only skims the surface. Imagine shaving. You don't rush the blade across your skin. You take it slow for the best result. Treat your vacuum the same way. Step 4. The 2-direction technique. Most people vacuum in one direction. Wrong. For carpets and rugs, go over the same area twice. Once vertically, once horizontally. This crosshatch pattern pulls dirt trapped between fibers. It's the difference between surface cleaning and true deep cleaning. Step 5. Corners and edges matter. Look at your baseboards. Dust hides there, untouched by broad strokes. Use your vacuum's edge tool or crevice attachment. Run it along corners, under furniture edges, and in tight spots. This step often gets skipped, but it's where the hidden dirt lives. Step 6. Don't forget upholstery. Your vacuum isn't just for floors. Sofas, chairs, curtains, all collect dust and allergens. Use brush attachments on upholstery weekly. You'll notice the air feels fresher and allergies reduce. A vacuum isn't just a floor tool, it's an air quality machine. Step 7. Empty and clean the vacuum. A full bag or clogged filter cuts suction by half. Always empty after every big clean, and rinse filters regularly. A dirty vacuum can't clean a dirty home. Maintenance is as important as the act itself. Please leave a comment below with any vacuuming tips you may have. You know we love to hear from you. The emotional payoff. Now imagine this. You finish vacuuming with these techniques, and suddenly your home feels lighter. Carpets fluff under your feet. Air smells fresher. Rooms feel calmer. It's not just about removing dirt. It's about creating an environment where you can breathe, relax, and live fully. That's the emotional transformation true cleaning brings. The best way to vacuum is also a reminder. Don't just go through the motions. Do it with care. So, the next time you vacuum, remember, clear the space, set the right mode, move slowly, go both directions, target the corners, clean upholstery, and maintain your machine. Follow these steps, and you'll never look at vacuuming the same way again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unconventional and powerful tips to keep your home spotless, healthy, and stress-free. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list and Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community because the best way to clean is always the smarter way.